Hello everyone, this is April and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, let's talk about banana. So please stay with me and let's start watching. Let's talk about the health benefits of eating bananas. Do you have any idea how banana can transform your body in a month? If not, let me tell you the greatest benefits of eating 2 bananas a day. Number 1. Lose weight. Banana are rich in fiber, which makes you feeling full. It helps to lose your appetite to eat and stop you from gaining weight. Number 2. Regulates insulin. It helps to reduce the level of sugar in your blood and raise your body sensitivity to insulin. If your body cells aren't sensitive to insulin, they cannot absorb the glucose, and your pancreas begins to produce large quantity of sugar that can lead to risk for diabetes. Number 3. Normalize your arterial pressure. 2 bananas can reduce high blood pressure and decrease risk of heart diseases. Well, adding bananas to your diet reduces the risk of death stroke by 40%. Number 4. Decreased level of stress. Eating bananas amazingly improves your mood. Why? Because they contain tryptophan, which is required by your body to receive serotonin. Serotonin is commonly known as your happy hormone. And each banana also contains 27 to 32 mg of magnesium. Magnesium helps your heart, muscle, and immune system to function properly. And this mineral is responsible for having a good mood and a healthy sleep. As a result, it makes you feel relaxed and happier. Number 5. Decreased risk of anemia. Anemia can cause paleness, tiredness, and breathlessness. It is a result of reduction in RBC or low hemoglobin level in the body. Banana contains a lot of iron, which stimulates the production of RBC. Increasing the red blood cell improves the blood flows in your body. Do you know that a person with diabetes is advisable to eat 2 bananas a day? Banana also contains vitamin B6, which regulates your blood glucose level. Number 6. Improves digestion. Banana are rich in fiber that is good to your gastrointestinal tract. Bananas are good for people who has gastritis and gastrointestinal reflux or heartburn. It is a natural remedy called natural antacid that can help to lessen the heartburn and symptoms. It can also help to heal a wound in your abdominal wall caused by hyperacidity and other harmful toxins. Amazingly, just eat 2 bananas in 24 hours will help to restore the mineral lost when persons suffer from diarrhea. Number 6. It restores vitamin deficit. Bananas are very rich in vitamins, nutrients, and natural sugar such as sucrose and fructose. 1 banana contains 20% of your body daily vitamin 6 requirements. This will help your body to produce insulin, hemoglobin, amino acids that is needed to generate a new healthy cells. We all know that orange and strawberries contains the greatest vitamin C, but banana contains 15% of our daily norm of this important substance. Vitamin C. It is an antioxidant that neutralizes harmful free radicals. It destroys molecules that can be harmful to our body cells. Vitamin C also helps to keep blood vessels healthy and produces collagen. Number 8. Increased level of energy. Banana contains 422 mg of potassium and carbohydrates. Well, Potassium protects your muscles from muscle cramps, and carbohydrate provides you enough energy to endure 90 minutes heavy workout. Now, let's talk about the stages of banana and its benefits. We have green banana, yellow banana, and ripe banana or the brown banana. Green banana. It helps you to feel full longer but is still clear constipated. Do you know that the greener banana, the lower glycemic index content, which is great for diabetes? Next is the yellow banana. They are easiest to digest because of high glycemic index content. It has the greatest source of potassium. They also contains GUT, healthy fiber properties. Next is the brown banana. It is the sweetest, perfect for baking or smoothies. In this stage, brown banana has the greatest amount of antioxidant. Do you know that the ripe banana with black spot on its peel produces substance called TNF or tumor necrosis factor? TNF or tumor necrosis factor is very powerful in fighting against cancer cells. The more black spot it has, the higher concentration of TNF. That's why banana are considered as one of the most healthiest fruits. Amazing! Bonus tips about banana. Tip number 1. Use banana as cosmetics. You can make banana mask. Use 1 banana, 1 egg white, lemon juice, and olive oil. First, mix the banana with whipped egg white, then add the lemon juice and few drops of olive oil. Second, apply the mask 10 to 15 minutes to your face and body before going to shower. This mask relieves chronic fatigue and gives your skin fresh and healthy looks. Tips number 2. Use banana as teeth whitening. Minerals in banana such as manganese and potassium are absorbed in the teeth, making them more whiter. According to Uchana Okeya, medical director from London of Dental Smiling Group, banana peel is natural and gentle as a whitening remedy. First, simply rub the banana peel or skin into your teeth. It will act as a gentle exfoliator and remove some stains. Second, leave the banana paste on your teeth up to 10 minutes. Third, use dry toothbrush to brush your teeth. Make sure to brush your top spots. Fourth, use water or toothpaste to wash. Repeat it 2 to 3 times a week for better result. That's all about banana. I hope na may natutunan kayo. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below kung ano mga idea nyo about sa banana. Again, thank you for watching. Bye!